Question 1 says solve each of these equations. D says x minus 1 is equal to 11. X represents something real. You want to find a number. When you subtract 1 from it, you will get 11. What is that number? Okay, let's call it x. It could represent something real. It could be you have a certain number of eggs, you take out 1 from it, you have 11 eggs remaining. How many eggs was there in the first place? Okay, so there's an algorithm to do that. Okay. So we have x minus 1 equal 11. So as I'm doing x minus 1 is equal to 11, you are doing x plus 6 is equal to 10. You could be writing it on your notebook, or you could be typing it like how I'm doing. All right, so I'll encourage you to do that right now. Okay, don't just sit there watching me do x minus 1 equal 11. Look, x plus 6 equal 10. So if you didn't have time to download it from the worksheet, write this down in your notebook, x plus 6 equal 10, and apply what I'm doing there with x minus 1 equal 11 to x plus 6 equal 10. Okay, because maths is a doing thing, you have to be doing to make sure that you can do it. So x minus 1 is equal to 11. So what we need to do is to cancel out all the numbers that are on the same side of x in order for us to find out what x is, to get x by itself. Now, we have to do the opposite of what the number is doing so that we can actually cancel it out, all right? Or the opposite of the sign of the number, if you want to put it that way. That's x subtract 4 is equal to 11, okay? So in order to cancel out a negative 1, we have to add 1. We have to do the opposite. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. But if we add 1 on the left side, for the balance to maintain, we have to add 1 on the right side. What you do on the left side, you have to do on the right side. Okay, so I'm just repeating, we're adding 1 just to cancel out a negative 1. But if you add 1 on the left, you have to add 1 on the right. Okay, what you do on the left side, you have to do on the right side. So therefore now we're going to have x by itself, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0. And then on the right side, we're going to have 12. 11 plus 1 is 12. So x is equal to 12. There is a number which is 12. Okay, there is one number that's 12, and 12 minus 1 is 11. So that means x must have been 11. Okay, so please apply this to x plus 6 equal 10. And try to mimic that same working. And as you get better at it, you can, take your little shortcuts, but, in the meantime, you demonstrate your steps as much as possible to gain confidence.